Chiro cracks. Chiropractics for everyone.
Back pain, neck pain?
I don't really have any neck pain unless it's after like a big weekend of like dance and stuff, but I usually have a lot of like mid to lower back pain, probably because I'm on my feet a lot.
When you're dancing or another job?
I work at a pizza shop.
Okay, that's cool. I used to work at a pizza shop too. Does it ever last into the next day?
Most mornings I kind of get out of bed and I feel like I have to like hunch around for the first like hour or so, but after I get up and moving, I'm usually okay.
Do you stretch at all?
Yeah.
What kind of stretching do you do?
I kind of always stuck with my like dance stretch routine that my dance teachers have always done since I was a kid.
Same stretch routine since you were a kid? Maybe we need to evolve that a little bit.
That's true. Just stretching the same muscles over and over.
Do you numbs or tingling in your feet?
I don't think so. I just have a ton of random cracking when I'm walking around.
Do you get headaches ever?
Very, very rarely.
Looking at the feet first. So on the right foot, there's an inversion and a possible pronation. I see it on the left side too. There's flattening of the arches bilaterally. Looking at the arm swing, it's bilaterally minimal. There's increased hip swing on the left. The shoulders look fairly close to even with a high right mastoid process. You definitely have decreased arches. There's almost no arch on the left. No genu varum, no genu valgum, no bowing. This knee right here is turned inward. You do indeed have a high right hip and it's significant. These are the most even shoulders I've ever seen. We have a low left glute versus the right. Your head is forward like this. Now your left hip is high seated. We might have some hypermobility here. Nice and symmetrical all the way from top to bottom. Slight increase right here at the T1, T2, T3 area. How uncomfortable is that for you?
That's actually not too bad.
Tender left or right?
Probably right.
Left or right or same?
Pretty similar.
Your sacrum is turned like this. I want you to push up against me. Strong, strong. It's a little bit harder when I put my finger right there.
Yeah, that's weird.
You're very strong. You've got a nice tone in your muscles. Gentle breathing, try to let your neck relax. Tender over here?
Yeah, definitely.
Lift your right leg up in the air. Good. Left lumbar is fine. Now lift up this left leg. Your lumbar spine is firing nicely, so I don't suspect a problem here in the lumbar. But let me confirm. Bend this knee here. Push against my hand. Strong, strong, strong.
The left one felt easier, which is surprising to me.
All right, so let's try it again, this time with the sacrum stabilized. It's still easier on the left, huh?
Yeah.
That means we have to check the tailbone. Let's check it. Bend this knee. Push against me here. Coccyx. Coccyx. Sacrum. Let that relax. Left short. Stays short. Points to the right AS. Your right ilium and the sacrum are rocked forward like this. And the left sacrum and ilium are rocked backwards like this. Your sacrum is turning against it like that. This is a little tender right here, right?
Yeah.
And that was tender right there, right?
Definitely.
Okay, now we're going to start with, let's practice the adjustment first. So you're going to take a nice deep breath in through your nose. Let your shoulders sink in. At the end of your breath, I'm just going to push a little bit further. We're going to move up to the upper thoracic spine. You're doing good. I'm going to follow the breath. Just a little push right there. Take a deep breath in and out. I'm going to scoot you forward a little bit like this. This hip is the one that's gone forward like this.
Feels good.
Gentle sinking in. How's that?
Good.
Turn your head to the right. Turn your head to the left. Bring your right ear down to your shoulder. Left ear. You do adjust your occipital. Is that tender?
Yeah.
Is this tender over here?
Yeah,
Nice.
but not as bad.
As you breathe out, we follow the breath in this direction like that. Is that still tender over there?
No.
Still a little tender right there, right?
Yeah.
Let's help it out a little bit. Nice and gentle breathing. Everything's pushing into the table.
It's a lot better.
I'm going to follow your teeth back like this. We're going to find the pterygoid going in that direction. And now we're just going to hold gently. Right or left is one more tender than the other.
Right.
Left, right.
I think they're about even now.
It's tender, isn't it?
Yeah.
You find the pyloric sphincters where your stomach empties into your duodenum. It's better, right?
Yeah.
Is this tender right here? We find the ileocecal valve by tracing from the hip bone right here up to your belly button. Yours is here. Nice belly breathing. Still a little bit right there. Hold on. It's better. Tender, right?
Yeah. It's a lot better.
The liver point that we find is on the third rib. Is that tender?
Yeah.
On the back as well. Okay. You're going to feel a lot better after this.
I feel it in the front, but not in the back.
Perfect. That's the exact thing that's supposed to happen. Now we're going to start stimulating the liver. This one in the front's starting to let go, right? Tender?
No.
Hips are sinking in, and then at the end we just pull in that direction.
I kind of feel lighter. Tension is gone.
Push, push. Push. I'm gonna crack your ears.